Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sadia. Today I am going to tell you how to use a grid view in a .NET. This is a grid view design which is having some columns: ID, unit price, unit purchase, edit, delete, and select. This is a complete grid view. Here I have added a two text boxes, and then after writing some text in it and then click on add new, it will add a new record into the database. If I want to edit the previous record, I'll click edit and then write on it any number, for example 3 over here and 5 over here, and then click on an update. It will update the main record of the database. Let's see how it will add it or not. Let's say 23 and the price is 78, and click on add new. This new record is added and it will be showing in this grid as well. Still it is loading. Add new record has been added. It will be showing on the last page. I think on 21. Let's say if this row, I want to delete this row, it will delete this row. This 88 ID number, if I want to delete this ID, this 88 ID number is deleted from our database box. Let's see how it is coded. First of all, on page load, I have to call a connection string. I have a connection class over here in my I have pasted connection string in my MySQL connection, then then called a bind function. What bind function is doing, it is basically calling an SQL adapter in which I have written a query: select static from products, which is giving me all the records from the product table. Then I've created a data set and then fill that data set with the data adapter and name any name you can given to that data set. Then this my grid view name is result grid is .data source. Then this .data source is basically connecting my data set to my grid view. So I have passed here data set table 0 to my grid view. Then I have bind that data. For deleting that row in grid view, there is for grid view is a function grid view row deleting. So first of all, I have to open a connection, then SQL command, which is passing my query, which is taking my query delete from product where ID is. ID from where ID will be getting from the data grid view dot key data key e dot row ID. Whatever row I have selected, it will take that row ID dot value into toString that will be passed to an ID column of my product table, and then const string is passed. Then command dot execute non-query is always used for a delete query. Then connection is closed, and again after deleting the record, again my grid view is bind by calling bind function. This is how deleting is done in this grid view. Thank you.